Today, I'll make lemon ice cream. Here are the ingredients. For our base, we need 500 ml of whipping cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is equivalent to 380 grams. And then 1 gram of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. For the lemon ice cream, I have 1/2 cup lemon juice. I extracted this from 2 lemons. 1, whip the cream to incorporate air until light and fluffy. We'll add the condensed milk. Then the salt. Then we'll add the lemon juice. We'll mix this thoroughly. We'll transfer this to a clean, airtight container. We'll place this inside the freezer for at least 6 hours. What are the ingredients? Let's start with the plain peanut butter. 300 grams roasted peanuts and 2 pinches of iodized salt. These are the 2 basic ingredients. Sugar, 30 grams, and coconut oil, 25 grams. These 2 are optional depending on you. Now, let's go to the procedure. Step 1, roasting. Step 2, grinding. Place the roasted peanuts and coconut oil into a blender or food processor. Blend until the peanuts turn into a paste. Blend. You can put the sugar and the salt now. Look at that, it's already a paste. Yeah, it's a fine paste already. So we'll put the sugar. By the way, I'm using organic palm sugar. And then the salt. And blend it again until the sugar and the salt are blended with the paste. Now you have your own homemade peanut butter. Look at how smooth the texture is. Today, I'll show you how to make your own chocolate milk powder using just 4 simple ingredients. 500 grams powdered sugar, 100 grams cocoa powder. You can use either natural cocoa powder or alkalized cocoa powder. 398 grams full cream or whole milk powder. And lastly, 2 grams of salt. Here's how to prepare your homemade chocolate milk powder. First, weigh all the ingredients accurately. Blend until the mixture looks even in color. So, blend. the mixture to remove the lumps and ensure smooth and fine powder. So, sifting is a very important step. Lastly, place the powder in a clean and airtight container and store in a cool, dry place. That's it. Your chocolate milk powder is ready. Do you know you can make sweetened condensed milk at home using only 2 simple ingredients? You only need 450 grams of refined or powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is preferred to easily dissolve. And then you also need 550 grams of liquid milk. You can use full cream, skim milk, or 50-50% blend depending on how creamy or on the amount of fat you want your condensed milk to be. First, weigh your ingredients. Then cook over medium heat while stirring continuously until the sugar is completely dissolved. Set the heat to low, and continue cooking. You cook until you reach a slight caramel color and a thick, creamy consistency. So this is our cooked sweetened condensed milk with the color and the consistency that I want. Let it cool first before transferring to an airtight container, and you can store this inside the refrigerator up to 1 month. To make your own mayonnaise, you only need 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of lemon, 1 pinch of iodized salt, and 1 cup of oil. I prefer to use either coconut oil or olive oil for health reasons. First, in a bowl, combine the egg, lemon juice, and 1 pinch of salt. So the egg, lemon, whisk them together until well blended. So I am using this hand whisk. Second, slowly add the oil little by little while continually whisking. I'm going to use this electric mixer. Continue whisking until you reach your desired thickness and consistency. Let's see. Okay. Then we transfer the mayonnaise in a clean, airtight container. So your homemade mayonnaise is ready.